Alright, let's cut to the chase. Does the Pelican Aegis 22 rolling hybrid duffel actually live up to the hype? I've taken this bag through airports, muddy parking lots, and yes, even over cobblestones. Here's what I found. First off, protection is next level. The EVA molded front and polycarbonate back, they're tough. I'm talking, drop it off the curb tough. You won't get that, oh no, my laptop panic if you accidentally knock it around. The wheels are a huge win. Oversized and rugged, they glide over rough ground where most spinner bags totally freak out. If you ever find yourself sprinting for a late-night train in the rain, you'll appreciate the grip. Now, the not-so-great news. Packing space is definitely sacrificed for all that ruggedness. While it says carry-on, this thing runs a little tall, so airlines with super strict requirements might make you gate check. Inside, it's basically one big open space, so if you're not using packing cubes, good luck finding your socks. And let's talk weight. At over 7 pounds empty, it's heavier than most 22-inch competitors. Plus, those weatherproof zippers? Super stiff. You'll need 2 hands to muscle them around corners. If you love adventure, think gravel roads, mountain lodges, or tossing your bag in a truck bed, this is your beast. But, if you're a frequent flyer obsessed with squeezing every inch of packing space, you might find the Aegis 22 a bit overbuilt. Bottom line, it does what it promises, protects your gear and shrugs off rough treatment. Just be ready to trade a little packing space and some convenience for that peace of mind. Still curious? Drop your questions below. I'll spill all the details.